Am I the only one who thinks selling digital templates on Etsy and earning $88,000 it's totally dumb? Stick to the end and I will show you 3 more ways to make money, and the third way will drive you nuts. Method number 1, go to Upwork and start offering Notion specialist service. This guy made $40,000 charging $27 per hour, and this guy made $40,000 as well charging $60 per hour. Next, you go to Fiverr and sell various types of Notion related services. Step number 3, go to YouTube and make Notion related tutorials. Like this video got 1 million views. You can sell your templates and your expertise and consultancy and your service as a consultant through this video. But YouTube alone is extremely saturated and crowded that will take a long time to get results. Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork takes a long time to deliver your service to the client. And that's why we don't do all this. What we do is high ticket affiliate marketing using AI, simple short videos, and a 99% done for you automated funnel. And the reason our students are excited about it is because they can earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with a link to a free case study.